Assalamu alaikum. In this lesson, we will be covering category 2, which is Qalqalah. So what is Qalqalah? Qalqalah is to pronounce with an echoing or a bouncing sound when the letter carries a sukoon. The Qalqalah is necessary for the letters because they have the attribute of jahar, which means stoppage of the airflow, and also they have the characteristic of shidda, which is the stoppage of sound flow. Without Qalqalah, it would be impossible for the sound of the letter to be released. There are 5 letters of Qalqalah, and the easy terminology is to remember as Qutubu Jad. The letters Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim and Dal. So for the letter Qaf, Aqqa. For the letter Ta, Atta. For the letter Ba, Ab. For the letter Jim, Aj. For the letter Dal, Ad. There are 3 levels of Qalqalah. Number 1, the subtle echo, where the Qalqalah is in the middle of a word. Abna, Tatahira. Number 2, the medium echo, where we are stopping on a Qalqalah letter without a shadda, so it will have a temporary sukoon. For example, قل أعوذ برب الفلق قد أفلح المؤمنون. So on the qad, the sukoon is at the end of a word. Number 3, the strong echo when stopping on a qalqalah letter with a shadda. For example, ربهم بالحق